Hi guys, are you looking for the best cat grooming tool? In this video, we will show the best cat grooming tool. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 cat grooming tools you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages, and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cat grooming tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hertzco Slicker Grooming Brush. Remove tangles without causing harm to your pet. The bristles are tiny, bent wires that are made to shave the undercoat effectively without causing skin irritation. Excellent brush for dematting long and short-haired pets and canines who shed. Pets are thrilled about every grooming session because they adore the way this brush feels. Easy to clean. After brushing your pet, just press the button to have the bristles retract back into the brush. This makes it incredibly easy to get rid of all the hair and put the brush away for further use. You can brush repeatedly with this product because it is robust and long-lasting. Positive sides of this product: good for detangling, comes in 2 sizes, retracts for easier cleaning. Negative sides of this product: no rubber tip on bristle ends. Number 2. Hart's Small Slicker Brush. For cats and dogs with medium to long hair, the Hart's Small Slicker Brush is the ideal grooming equipment. The thin wire bristles efficiently remove mats, tangles, and loose fur while being kind to your pet's skin. Using this slicker brush on a regular basis keeps your pet's coat looking shiny and healthy while also preventing shedding. When grooming your pet, this little slicker brush is easy to grasp and move thanks to its comfortable grip handle. It is a multi-purpose tool for pet owners with several furry friends because of its modest size, which is perfect for cats and small dogs alike. Make sure your pet is comfy and looks nice with the Hart's Small Slicker Brush. Positive sides of this product: durable, bristles prevent scratching, handle is comfortable to hold. Negative sides of this product: maybe too small for big cats. Number 3. The Nicasa by Nebot P1 Pro Pet Grooming Vacuum. The Nicasa by Nebot P1 Pro Pet Grooming Vacuum is a versatile grooming kit designed for pet owners who want a cleaner, more efficient grooming experience. Featuring 5 essential tools: a grooming brush, de-shedding brush, electric clipper, nozzle head, and cleaning brush. It ensures a thorough groom while promoting a healthy, smooth coat. The powerful vacuum function captures up to 99% of loose hair directly into a dustbin, eliminating mess and preventing fur from spreading around your home. The kit includes 5 adjustable comfort guard combs, 3mm to 24mm, for easy styling of various hair lengths. With low noise operation and 3 adjustable suction levels, it provides a gentle experience to keep pets calm during grooming. Plus, the dustbin is easy to empty and washable, and the compact design allows for convenient storage. Nicasa offers a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support for added peace of mind. Number 4. Hands-on Grooming Gloves. Hands-on grooming gloves are a patented, award-winning solution for grooming, shedding, and bathing cats, dogs, horses, and more. Designed with gentle yet effective rubber nodules, these gloves provide a soothing massage while effortlessly removing loose hair, tackling all coat types, from short to long and coarse. Perfect for pets with varying personalities, the flexible bristles ensure a comfortable grooming experience without uncomfortable friction. More than a simple hair remover, these gloves help stimulate circulation and distribute natural oils, promoting a healthier skin and coat. They're lightweight, durable, and built to withstand regular baths and grooming sessions. Cleaning is a breeze. Pet hair slides off with a rub, and the gloves can be rinsed or machine washed. Customers love how the gloves keep hands clean and dry, making grooming enjoyable for both pets and owners. Pets love one-on-one time, making grooming a special bonding activity. Positive sides of this product: suitable for long-haired cats. Comes in 4 sizes, machine washable. Negative sides of this product: not as effective as others. Number 5. Delomo Pet Grooming Gloves. It is very amazing how effective these gloves are. Their hook and loop fastening allows for a customized fit, and they are composed of breathable mesh fabric. I can reach places like his tummy, behind his ears, and tail that are hard to reach thanks to the adaptable design. Regardless of the type and length of your 4-legged pet's hair, the gloves are great for everyday care. It's a multi-purpose pet care product that every pet owner needs because they're also excellent for rubbing and lathering shampoo at bath time. Positive sides of this product: affordable. Adjustable wrist. Negative sides of this product: need to hand wash them. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.